In this video, I will show you how to contact Bolt driver support. So there are two ways you can contact the Bolt driver support, and one is by going to the Bolt driver app and then just go ahead and click on the three stripes at the top left from your home tab. Then click on settings or something that's saying support, and then you will be redirected to the support section. But you can also do this from the bolt.eu website or bolt.com. And then you need to go to the home screen and then click on support in here. And then you need to click on for drivers in here. So let's go ahead and click on this. And then you will see the frequently asked questions in here. And you can also type in your question. And this is the way how you can contact the support. So let's say you are having a problem. Let's say you're not receiving orders. Then you will see everything that you need to do to solve this issue. And if you want to contact a coworker and get into a chat, then you need to download the Bolt driver app, and then you will be able to get in a chat with a coworker. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helps you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.